Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over silver. We are up 26 basis points and we have about 2 hours left in trading on the 1 hour chart. We were hitting negative MACD, but we made a quick reversal and we start to see the MACD to converge, and we found support on these moving averages. The same price action on the 4 hour chart. We found support on the 100 moving average right there, and we start to see the MACD turning positive as well. And on the 4 hour chart or daily chart, I do see the trend heading higher. Reason why: the RSI is not near overbought level, but we do see a divergence on the MACD, but we still maintain support on the 18-day moving averages as long as we make an or immediate high or higher than past 2 weeks. The trend is still intact. It's all about, well, time is against the uptrend, so if we don't make a new high, we might lose steam and the MACD, as indicated, diverge and start to point negative. So as for support, I do expect the support to be the 18-day moving average. We can't go lower than that, or else the uptrend is in crisis. And for resistance, I do see resistance back where we found past resistance that dated back to, I would say, May 11th, 2018 at the price of $16.80. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is roughly around, I would say, 2.4%, and if we were to move down lower, that price movement is around 1.1% lower. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where silver will head to in next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these forecasts that we should focus on? So we do this by comparing the current trend right here and comparing it to the current trend or the trend in question. And this trend dates back to March 2nd, 2016 to May 11th, 2016. So these two trends are similar. Reason why: we start to see we were on the bottom Bollinger Band right there, and then we made an attempt to head on higher, and we were above the middle Bollinger Band right there. And let's just make this light blue. And then once more we were below the middle Bollinger Band at this instance, and then we head on higher to touch the upper Bollinger Band right there, and then we reverted to the mean, slightly touching the middle Bollinger Band right there. So in this trend, we start off below the middle Bollinger Band right there, and then after that we were above the middle Bollinger Band for several days. Once more we dip below the middle Bollinger Band right there, and then after that we head on higher and up channel touching the upper Bollinger Band, and then after that we reverted to the mean right here. So we start to see a similar pattern shaping. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast would also be the same. So again, the trend that we took a look at was, I would say, March 2nd, March 2nd, 2016 to May 11th, 2016. And it looks like silver back then was down roughly 5%. So it will be below where we mark the support or the 18-day moving average. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.